One of the pathways not listed in the 10,000 Ways to God, and the great dereliction of the spiritual masters of the past and teachers, is humor. Humor is probably the fastest way to God, other than acute tragedy. You can't whip up a tornado all the time to take you up there. Yeah. So to me, humor is, the consequence of the total acceptance of all the possibilities of existence. The complete and total acceptance of all of it is encapsulated in humor. Because with humor, you're accepting the diversity of life and the comedy of contrast between perception and essence. Man's difficulty is he can't tell perception from essence. That's been noted throughout history. From 350 BC, the same statement plagues the media of today. The comedy of today's media is being fair and balanced. Mankind is going to go down with free speech and fair and balanced. Why is that? Because what it's saying is that falsehood has equal validity as truth. The equation of truth and falsehood is why that interpretation, called relativism or moral equivalency, whatever you want to call it,